We had a good night. Night was pretty good, you know. It was pretty cold, so we went through it. Slept really good. Didn't have to wake up at all. It was a setup, the tarp because it was raining a little bit, and then our cots and the forest. Look at the view. It's pretty. Let's go here. Now we're just chilling. Gotta be going fishing soon. We have officially made it to the lake. Had to throw the bobber in. See how it would work. If you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the bobber. It's a little white and red thing. No bites yet. No, not giving up yet. Hey guys, yeah, nothing probably for today because we did come a little bit too late, and plus the bite is just, it's slow. I lost one, had like 2-3 bites, but yeah, overall nothing. I actually thought I was gonna have it, but I lost because I just missed it, so I was like, oh dang it. So let's retry this cast right here, the last cast, and then I'm probably gonna be heading back to the campsite. Here we go. Here we go. Look at it. Wow. Nice fire going on right now. Gotta make some sandwiches. I'm hungry. Let's look at the water. Oh yeah, it's still going. Okay. Let's look at this food. Oh yeah. It's got the setup. We're gonna sleep over there and farther by the propane. Yeah, just chilling till the food gets ready. Bye.